Hey guys, welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to be exposing some of Kawaii Toy Collector, aka me, my most popular no glue slime recipes, or also the viral ones. This is going down a list of water slime. We have paper slime, then of course the iconic hand sanitizer slime, which started my channel. I'm going to be talking about them, going through the recipe, and exposing if they work or if they don't work, or even if they're real. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notifications got for my last video is... Also, please leave a like and subscribe to KawaiiToy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Okay guys, so in today's video, I'm going to be going through the different type of slime recipes that are super viral all over on my social media pages. That will be water slime, toilet paper slime, and hand sanitizer slime. So let's get into debunking them and going through if they're real or not real. Let's get starting out with a fan favorite, which is water slime. I actually didn't make this recipe. This is made from JSH DIY's recipe. He made this back in 2017. And since then, I've been obsessed with this no glue slime recipe. And the debunks on this is it doesn't work. Water cannot make this slime. And well, the truth behind it is, yeah, obviously water can't make slime. But the thing is, when you mix water with another ingredient, it makes a super thick mixture that turns into slime. And the secret ingredient to that is, well, body wash or soap, because you can't make slime out of water, and I've been telling you guys that over and over for the past few years. So all you have to do for this recipe is you're going to get out your bowl or plate, and you're going to add in your soap. Add a little bit of water in there. You don't want too much. You basically just want to mix it up. Okay, after mixing it for a little bit, what you're going to do is you're going to put it into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. I always say that with soap slime recipes. It basically thickens up the soap and turns it into a really cool slime, putty texture. So I'm going to go put this in the fridge now, and that's the exposing factor of this no glue slime recipe. Alright guys, a few hours later, here is the slime, and it basically turns into a super cool slime texture. Just like this. Oh, look how awesome that is. And this is basically exposing no glue water slime. Obviously, you can't make slime with just water, but that's why you add in a soap, or even you can mix a few soaps in there, and it turns out to be a super awesome slime. So that's the first recipe I'm exposing today. Let's move on to recipe 2, which is the iconic no glue toilet paper slime. No glue toilet paper slime, a fan favorite all throughout YouTube, but especially social media. You guys have loved this recipe for so many years, and it's gone super viral on a few social media pages, and I can't blame you. How can you make slime out of toilet paper? That sounds crazy. Well, it's because you can't just make it out of toilet paper like I said before. You do have to add soap into here, and you have to shred up the toilet paper. So I won't be going through this recipe because, well, I just posted a video on this basically 2 weeks ago, and you guys can check it out right now. Link will be on the video. And I go through all the details of this recipe, but a quick run up of it is you add soap into a bowl, you mix it up, and you shred up the toilet paper. You shred it just like this. And it basically creates a texture that's going to be like a putty or clay, because that's going to mold into kind of almost like a butter texture, but it turns into this super soft slime texture. It's one of my favorite no glue slime recipes, and I'm sure you guys love this recipe too. But you have to mix a lot with this. What I've been doing lately is I've been adding the toilet paper into the bowl before that, and actually adding the soap on top of it. I did that in a recent social media post on it, and it turned out amazing. It made a really cool butter slime texture. So those are some helpful ways how to make no glue toilet paper slime better. But this one isn't a lie. It's one of my favorites. I did create this one on YouTube, and it's been a fan favorite for so many years. And I've done it even with computer paper. I've done it with notebook paper. But the best way I have to say is definitely toilet paper. It makes it super soft and buttery. But wow, I'm talking so fast right now. I'm so sorry. But this recipe is so awesome. Again, I'm not going to go through it, but those are some simple ways on how to make it better, and me debunking some of the most popular things, which, is it fake? No. Is it made out of just toilet paper? No, it's made out of obviously soap and toilet paper, and you can add in more soap to make it thicker. And how long does it last? This does melt after a few hours, so be mindful with that, but that's how most no glue slime recipes are. But let's move on to the last and final debunking, which is the popular hand sanitizer slime. We have now made it to a YouTube fan favorite, which is hand sanitizer slime. This is actually what started up my YouTube channel for going viral. It was my first ever viral video. It's so crazy. I went viral back in 2017, which was so long ago, but you guys still love this recipe. So hand sanitizer slime is how it sounds. It's slime made out of hand sanitizer. I just made this one about a few hours ago, and I made it out of a green hand sanitizer, and as you can see, it's super awesome. Definitely like sticky, like you can't really tell by my hands, but that's because of the other ingredient, which is soap. Again, for this no glue slime recipe, I did make my first video out of just hand sanitizer, and it did not turn out the best. I remember I added like paint into there, and it was just like a moldy putty texture. It was not that good, and I was like, okay, I can like up my game with this and make it better. So that's when I added hand sanitizer with soap, and it made the no glue slime recipe so much better. And what causes this to turn into slime is actually the gel beads in there. That's why I really do recommend you pick up like one from Bath & Body Works with the gel beads, because I'm going to show this on my hands. But the gel beads will turn into like a slime-like texture. And it's really great for slime. It's kind of almost like the activator when you add the soap into there. So that's why I highly recommend that kind. But again, a super easy run through. I'll actually show a little like social media post right here, fast forwarded, of the no glue slime recipe. But it's so easy. It's hand sanitizer. You can add soap into there, food coloring. You mix it up, put it into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours, take it out, and there is your slime. Just like the recipe I made a bit ago. I wish I recorded it because honestly, I've made so many no glue slimes today. I'm like, okay, I'm going to show one from TikTok and you guys will like it. So you need to check out those videos over on my social media pages. But I've posted this video so many times on YouTube. So really, you're not really missing out. You can go check it out. Just type in Kawaii Toy Collector no glue hand sanitizer slime, and you'll see so many videos on this. It's so crazy. This is a fan favorite because it's so simple, and I can't believe I started this recipe. And it really is one of my favorites just because of how simple it is, and you can just like make it into different slimes. Like this one's thicker, but you can make it jiggly. You can make it into like a putty like texture, like my first ever recipe on this. But yeah, it's really fun. It's not fake. All my no glue slime recipes aren't fake. That's what people always get mixed up with me. I have no reason to fake no glue slime recipes. I love making slime. I've been making slime since literally 2016. It's almost going to be 10 years next year. That's so crazy. But slime is something that is literally like a part of me now. It started up my YouTube channel, and I have no reason to fake these no glue slime recipes. And I'm happy I got to film another video of me debunking my viral no glue slime recipes. I did the same last year, and you guys seemed to love the video. It was so fun to go through all the recipes and go down memory lane of me talking about them. But this time around, I'm going through the most popular ones, which has to be water slime, paper slime, and hand sanitizer slime. They're always revolving on my channel because I'm always coming up with new ways on how to make them. So if you're wondering why I see so many recipes of the same recipe, that's because I mix it up and I always make it different every time. But yeah, so for all the debunks, the recipes aren't fake. They do melt after a few hours for all no glue slime recipes. Like right when I'm done filming, these are probably going to melt. So then I just toss it in the trash. And no glue slime recipes are fun. It's lighthearted. It's not something to be so upset about. I do get a lot of hate comments on my videos for this. It's like, it's so crazy. I still get hate after all these years. But I mean, I get it. If your no glue slime recipes don't work, it happens to me all the time. I made a batch today of hand sanitizer slime and it completely melted. It happens to me. It happens to me all the time. It's normal, and that's just how no glue slime is. It's not a guarantee, but it is a fun craft. But yeah, I hope I was helpful with some tips and ways on how to help you make no glue slime recipes. I tried my best to show them and go through the first recipe. The second one I uploaded last week, so you can go check it out on my YouTube channel. And the last one, again, it's super easy to make. It's just hand sanitizer and soap, and you make an awesome slime. But I truly love you guys so much. Thank you so much for all the support on my YouTube channel and all my social medias, like my TikTok. You guys have been loving. I'm so thankful for all the support in there. A lot of you guys are new to my channel just from my TikTok alone. So thank you so much. If you're a new fan, I love you so much. But yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Remember to please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys. I love you so much. In peace. And remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes. Bye!